everyone. Today we will present our logos for our chicken food business called Chick and Bite. We choose a chicken rooster symbol for the logo because it represents freshness, energy, and quality. The circular shape of the logo shows completeness and unity, which make it look professional and memorable. We also close the name Chick and Bite because it's a simple, catchy, and as easy to remember. Chick shows that our business is about chicken and bite, such as a tasty and satisfying food which gives our customer a clear idea of what our brand offers.
Colors and analogous for color scheme with red and dark red. As the main colors, while black and white, we are added as neutral colors to balance the design. We chose red because it catches attention and stimulates appetite, which is important for a food business. The high saturations makes the color bright and eye-catching, while the use of light and dark values creates contrast to make the logo clear and easy to read. Overall, the colors help make our logo bold, clean, and appealing to customers. We use the silver editorial italic font for the text because it looks modern, elegant, and friendly. The italic style also adds a dynamic and playful feel to the logo. To create the logo, we use PixArt first. We searched for a poster image online and added it to PixArt. Then we removed the background and added the text, adjusting the font, perspective, and binding it to fit the design. We applied shadow to the chicken to add it, and finally we chose a border color that complements the logo. This process helped us create a clean, balanced, and professional logo for our brand.